What's a micron and what does it mean? My name is Charlotte Allen and you've reached my channel, The Felting Alchemist. So Wool Masterclass today is all about microns. What the hell is a micron? People ban the word around all the time and for ages I had no idea what they were talking about. Well, wonder no more my friends, because I'm about to tell you what a micron is. So a micron, all it is it refers to the thickness of the wool. So the higher the micron, the thicker the wool. So for instance, if you were looking at a wool that wasn't very coarse, a fine wool, you might get something that's a 20 micron. However, if you were looking at a coarser wool, it might be 27 micron. So that in a nutshell is what a micron is. I hope that helped you and I will see you again next time. So if you found this video useful, please feel free to like it. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel as well, because I'm posting daily at the moment. And if there's anything that you would like me to cover in my tutorials or in my hints and tips, please let me know in the comments below and I will try my best to help you out with your questions. See you soon. Bye.